Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have come up with another healthy recipe which is called makhana chaat or lotus seed snacks. So these lotus seeds or makhana are nutritious food that can help with many health benefits. They are rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. So it's very important that we include in our diet and also include in our children's diet. So this makhana or lotus seed chaat is very simple. It hardly takes 3 to 4 minutes to cook, and you can serve it with any tea, coffee or simply like this, or even for children's snacks tiffin box. So let's get cooking. So here in the pan I have taken pan and I have just put 2 spoon of cooking oil and few mustard seeds. Also I have added some curry leaves for the flavor. Curry leaves also very good for our health. It's very good for our hair, skin, everything. So I do add curry leaves in my day-to-day cooking. So I had added the curry leaves and also little bit of like half a teaspoon of chili powder and then half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I have added here 50 grams of peanuts or ground nuts and 20 grams of cashew nuts and 20 grams of raisins, and I'm going to fry it very nicely in the oil until it becomes crispy. So friends, along with these nuts and plus these lotus seeds will make these snacks very nutritious, and it's very simple to make. When we crave to eat something salty and spicy, you can simply make this and enjoy at home. So now I add the makhana seeds and mix everything very nicely, and I'm going to add here a little bit of salt, like salt as per taste, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix everything very well. Cook it very nicely so that all the masalas gets equally coated with all the makhana seed. Now at the end I am going to add here half a teaspoon of dry mango powder. So dry mango powder will give you a little bit tangy taste to my makhana snack. So you can easily get it in the market, dry mango powder, which is also called amchur, and mix it nicely. And friends, see how nicely it's been done. So this I'm going to flip it nicely all over. See, this makhana has been done. I'm going to switch off the gas and see it's become so crispy, and it became crispy because before frying, when you buy it from the market, it's usually not crispy, but when you fry it becomes very crispy. So here my healthy and nutritious makhana snacks is ready to be enjoyed with tea, coffee. You can serve it to your guest as well, which is healthy and nutritious. So you can snack it without any guilt. So thank you for watching, friends. Please do subscribe to my